Oh, you can't? Dang.
They are locked in there.
Yeah.
All right, well.
Oh, too late.
Oh, that feels good. A couple of raindrops. They're going to pelt us at 50 miles an hour.
Welcome to Air. First, store all those purses, keys, and phones. No items may be in the hands of riders. Please move behind the yellow line. The gates in front of you are closing. Guests must be 48 inches or taller to ride. Once you are seated, please hold your hands in the air as the
Drop some buckle.
Jesus, people.
Oh, no yelling, no screams of joy, just silence. Oh, thank God.